Care and interaction in the first 5 years of life have a major impact on children's development and will determine a child's health, how they behave, and their intellectual abilities. This is why it is crucial to invest early and well in child development. Countries in Latin America and the Caribbean are investing more and more in early child development. However, what's essential is that the care children receive during their first years is of high quality. But what exactly is quality care? This is Santiago. He is 2 years old. His mother can't take care of him as she has to go out to work, so she takes Santiago to a daycare center every day. In Latin America and the Caribbean, one caregiver takes care of 6 children who are younger than 1. Experts recommend that caregivers take care of no more than 3 children in this age group. If more caregivers were hired to work at these centers, they could interact with, communicate with, and really get to know the children that attend the center and their families. At this age, children's immune system is still developing. This is why it's important that daycare centers include strict health, safety, and hygiene protocols, and safe spaces for the children to play and learn in. Santiago is bored because there are few opportunities at the center for play, and because of the lack of interaction with his caregiver. At his age, he should take part in activities that allow him to explore and learn, and have frequent quality verbal interactions with his caregivers. Taking care of these children requires training. It is not a job that anyone can do. If we were to invest better in these centers, staff would receive training on how to care for and stimulate children according to their age and relate to them in ways that will support their emotional well-being. It is necessary for quality daycare centers to have creative spaces. Expensive, sophisticated toys aren't necessary. Instead, recycled items such as toys made from plastic bottles, like shakers and stacking bottle tops and cartons and large bottle tops, can be used together with simple picture books, crayons, and paper. And the spaces can be decorated with the children's work. Many of Santiago's friends are not properly fed. It is important that the food they eat is nutritious and that their eating routine is full of positive interactions. Furthermore, childcare centers could monitor the weight and height of the children and make sure they all have the vitamins and micronutrients they need. Since some of the children start attending the center only a few weeks after birth, it is crucial that the center encourages exclusive breastfeeding during the first 6 months and an adequate introduction to solid foods from then on. At this tender age, the lack of attention to the children's individual needs affects their development in the long term. Delays are difficult and costly to reverse and set the most vulnerable children early in life on a path of disadvantage. If Santiago begins with a good foundation, it's more likely that he will succeed in school and later on at his job. This will affect his productivity and that of his country in the future. The economic benefits of quality early childhood development programs are up to 19 times larger their costs. This means more education, better jobs, and higher wages for children who attend them. To ensure the success of the future generations of Latin American and Caribbean people, we have to start at the beginning.